Here is how to use reduce function in Python. So let's take an example here. So let's say we want to calculate the sum from 1 to 10. So what I'll do is I'll create a function and I'll call it as calculate sum, and I'll pass list as an argument, and I will create a variable called total, and I will initialize it with 0, and I'll take a for loop for iteration for n in list, and we will add this num to it, and finally we can return total. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll create a list and I'll add these values in it from 1 to 10. Okay, I'll take a print statement here and I'll call this function here, and if I execute this we get the output as 55, which is correct. Reduce function in Python makes it very simple. We don't have to do all this stuff. What we can do is we can just simply pass two arguments here, so n1, n2, and we can just return n1 plus n2, and we also have to import the reduce function from func tools. So from func tools import reduce, and what I'll do is I'll call the reduce function here. The first parameter it takes is the function name, so I'll just put it here as a first argument, and the second argument it takes the iterable, so list is an iterable, so I'll pass list there, and I will print this, and if I execute this we get the same output, 55. We don't have to manually do the iteration, so reduce function takes care of it. So you can also do multiplication, division, etc. So what we can do is we can just simply call this function as calculate multiplication, and instead of addition, what you can do is you can do n1 multiplied by n2, and we can take the same list and we can call this as calculate mul, and if I run this we get the output as this. Okay, so that's how you use reduce function in Python. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.